In the aortic area, and also in the pulmonic area, S2 is usually louder than S1. Still listening in the aortic area, but focusing more in the pulmonic area. Try to identify the inspiratory splitting of S2 into its two components. Its first component, A2, is from left-sided aortic valve closure. Its second component, P2, comes from right-sided pulmonic valve closure.
Now breathe deeply.
This physiologic split of S2A and S2P normally occurs during inspiration. During expiration, however, these two components are fused into a single sound, S2. Let's listen again.
Now breathe normally.
S2 usually diminishes in intensity, while S1 becomes louder as you proceed down through the third interspace and into the tricuspid area. Listen at the apex. Here at the mitral area, S1 is usually louder than S2. Now, switch to the bell of the stethoscope. Listen next along the lower left sternal border in the left fourth and fifth interspaces. Then listen at the apex.